The Seventh-day Adventist Church in Jamaica is dismissing allegations on social media that it's sharing people's personal data collected during Hurricane Melissa relief efforts with the government. At a recent press conference, the senior management of the Jamaica Union Conference said the information was not shared for the National Identification System.
Our relief agency, ADRA, as a registered charity and a relief entity, also gathers information for the process of sharing relief with persons, but at no time is that information shared with any entity, whether non-government or government. We have a data protection officer, works with the institution, and we abide by all data protection protocols.
President Everett Brown added that before the hurricane, the church, through its humanitarian arm, was actively preparing to respond to the needs of those affected. So far, the church has spent roughly $120 million on relief assistance for both members and the general public.
We have not received any financial support or any support from any government at this point in time. We have not. The resources that we have deployed, the cash that we have given, we received those funds from our international partners, from the Seventh-day Adventist Church abroad, and from the Seventh-day Adventist Church locally.